one. Oh my god, my man berries. Good recovery. Trying to go straight. Too much brake, too much throttle, you're just going to get slide. I made this wet a few times today. It's very tricky. That's the one. Again, every time I've done that last time, exactly the same. When are you going to learn? These switchback turns are getting pretty good if I do say so myself, Johnny. Get down there. Forgot this one was here. Oh, this is just so much fun. my manberries. Oh, try that again. It's a bit slower. Good stuff, man. Get up there, get some traction, yes. Starting to flow a bit now on this place. Famous last words. What did I say? Snaked it. Slippy, slidey. Whoa! Lovely. I love it. Whew. Too much throttle then. Oh, no brakes. Now I want to get back up there. That's the one. I love this new section. Try this way. Oh, I missed it. I can't correct myself now. I saw that happening. Absolutely love that hill climb. Long way. this bank then. You would have done it if you'd had better clutch control. Just thought I'd pull over and have a chat stroke rest, but that bike is really coming together. Since I put that 17 tooth front sprocket on and the new RENTHAL FATBARs, all that's left for me to do really is sort the suspension out, but that's easier said than done. God, it's hard work riding around here this time of year. Everything's wet, slipping and a sliding, bogging out. It's great fun. What more do you want on a dirt bike? You're meant to be slipping and sliding in mud, and this is just, well, perfect conditions. We've had a few dry days, so obviously the top's managed to dry out a bit. I thought I'd make the most of it. Anyway, one of the main reasons I stopped here is because I was thinking about trying to incorporate this into something, but looking at it, it's well beyond me. One of my mates might be able to do it, but I'm pretty certain I'd be biting off more than I could chew. Look at the way it just goes down. And if you steer wrong, you're going to hit the tree. And then you've got the stream right at the bottom, so you have to stop. Yeah, let's give that one a pass. Jeez. Wow. That was, I think, one slip too many. Right then, I think that was lady luck telling me to call it a day. I've been out pushing my luck, slipping and sliding. We missed a few things. We slid off a few times. There's no injuries. I've enjoyed myself. I hope you enjoyed the upload. Thanks for watching Moto Machines, and maybe see you in the future. Boom. Slide in, huh? You think you're gonna get up this bank? Ugh. Think again. Again. Too much throttle. Ooh. Don't like the look of that.